5.0 magnitude earthquake. 119 kilometers from Ba Western Fiji. Date and time: UK 10/09/2022 10:58 and 51 seconds p.m. Magnitude 5 MB. Area Fiji. Depth kilometers 10. Latitude -16.5096. Longitude 178.0096. Fiji's islands were formed through volcanic activity starting around 150 million years ago. Today, some geothermic activity still occurs on the islands of Vanua Levu and Taveuni. Deep Fiji earthquake, 8 between Indonesia and Japan. There have been no reports of damage, although the tremor was felt in Attica and other regions of Greece, mainly in the areas around the Gulf of Corinth.